Good morning, everyone, and welcome again to another episode of How to Become a Digital Nomad. And today I want to speak about dropshipping. So, new skills that I've encountered. You guys know that I'm doing all these podcasts and I'm interviewing people. And while I'm interviewing people, I am actually trying to get you guys some skills and some tips and tricks on these sets of skills and how to start if you want to start them. And a couple of things I stumbled upon. One of them is drop shipping and affiliate marketing. So just I want to give a quick idea about drop shipping. So what is drop shipping? Drop shipping is basically when somebody is creating a product and they are selling this product on your website, on their website. So what happens is, like, me as a drop shipper, I will create another website and I will sell the same product. All right. And basically what happens is, like, when a client comes to my website and buys the product from my website and I take the money, then I send the money to this other guy and I buy the product from him and then I deliver it to you. Or actually, he delivers it to you. So I'm kind of a middleman and I take commission on that. So that is drop shipping. So basically, it's somebody who doesn't create a product. He just, like, takes the money and then put the producer with the client, and then he is kind of out of the loop. Unless there is problems, then he is the one dealing with the client. So that is drop shipping, and it's a very good lucrative way to make money online, because you don't need to produce anything. The only thing you need to do is just market the product of the client. So yeah, so if you guys are into drop shipping or are interested in knowing more about the drop shipping, you can hit me up and I will tell you how to proceed with that. Thank you and have a nice day.